I'm always on the hunt for hidden gems across Europe. And today I found something truly special. I discovered 5 apartments you can actually own for as little as 16,000 euros. Yes, you heard that right. From just 16,000 to 19,100 euros. You can start a whole new life in Spain. 3 of these apartments are tucked away in Castilla y León, a region full of medieval towns, cozy tapas bars, and landscapes that change with the seasons. If you love history, hearty stews like cocido maragato, and a slower, more traditional pace of life, this might be your place. Then I headed south to Andalusia, where sunshine is practically guaranteed. The people greet you with a smile. And life revolves around plazas, flamenco, and long lunches. Here, you'll find Moorish architecture, whitewashed villages, and some of the most affordable coastal living options in Europe. Oh, and if you haven't tried salmorejo or grilled sardines by the beach, trust me, you're missing out. In this video, I'll show you apartments ready to move into, no major renovations needed, properties and communities where your neighbors still know your name, a chance to live in Spain for a fraction of what you'd pay anywhere else in Europe. Whether you're dreaming of retiring in the sunshine, working remotely with low living costs, or investing wisely in a market that's still within reach, this video could be the sign you were waiting for. Let's dive into 5 seriously affordable opportunities to start a new chapter in Spain. I'll walk you through the surroundings, the features of each apartment, and exactly why each one is worth considering. This time, I found myself in Tremor de Arriba, a small mountain village tucked deep into the region of El Bierzo in the province of León. It belongs to the municipality of Igüeña, a place where fewer than 1,100 people live, surrounded by pine forests, rivers, and winding trails that feel like something out of a storybook. The apartment for sale here is located on the first floor, facing south, and offers a solid 90 square meters of total space, 80 of them usable. It's fully furnished and has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a separate kitchen and living room. The condition is far from rustic. In fact, the home is fitted with modern thermal break windows, a pellet heating system with radiators in every room, and floors of tile and laminate. You won't need to renovate. It's already warm, functional, and move-in ready. Living here means trading noise for silence and congestion for nature. It's not just peaceful, it's self-sufficient. This village, despite its size, is connected to the essentials, and what you gain in tranquility, you don't lose in practicality. If the idea of a fully equipped mountain hideaway for the price of a second-hand car sounds appealing, this is one you might want to see for yourself. The price? Just 16,000 euros, which is around 17,370 US dollars, or 13,670 British pounds. That's about 178 euros per square meter, a figure that's hard to come by, even in the most remote corners of Europe. This next property took me to the quiet heart of El Bierzo in the province of León, specifically to Matarrosa del Sil, a small village within the municipality of Toreno. And despite being small, Matarrosa del Sil has everything for day-to-day life. A school, pharmacy, shops, medical care, public pool, and even a bus line. Ponferrada, the nearest city, is just 25 kilometers away, and León is a little over 100 kilometers to the east. If you're someone who's ready for peace, low overhead, and a real connection to nature and community, this could be exactly what you're looking for. It's surrounded by green hills, crossed by the Sil River, and has that unmistakable stillness that only truly rural Spain can offer. This top-floor apartment, an exterior second floor with southern and eastern exposure, offers 52 square meters of built space with 48 usable square meters. Inside, there are 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a kitchen, and a living dining area that's simple but functional. The layout is straightforward, and the apartment is in good condition. You won't need to tear anything down. Built in 1959, it's solid, legal, and ready for a notarized sale. Now, here's what makes this little place especially interesting. The price is just 17,000 euros, which is around 18,450 US dollars, or 14,520 British pounds. That's only 327 euros per square meter, a figure that's almost unheard of in today's market. Just 40 kilometers from León, in the quiet mountain village of Santa Lucía de Gordón, I found a surprisingly well-kept apartment nestled in one of the most stunning natural environments I've seen in a while. This area is part of a UNESCO biosphere reserve. And if you're into hiking, mountain biking, or just breathing fresh air, it's basically paradise. There's even a designated alpha zone for MTB and e-bikes. That tells you everything you need to know about how alive this landscape is. The town isn't just scenic, it's connected. There's a bus line, a couple of bars, a bakery, and a public pool that opens in summer. You won't feel isolated, but you'll absolutely feel removed from the chaos of city life. And honestly, that's what this place offers. Not just a home, but a slower rhythm, a calmer setting, and the kind of surroundings that make you want to walk instead of scroll. The apartment itself is on the first floor. With 3 bedrooms, 1 double, 2 singles, a full bathroom, a separate living room, and a kitchen equipped with a coal oven, electric stovetop, a brand new oven, and even a pantry. It's more than just cozy. It's completely functional. The layout feels balanced, the storage is practical, and the place is ready to move into without lifting a finger. Outside, there's a small storage unit, a 2-square-meter coal shed, a quirky but useful addition. The orientation is east-facing, which means you'll get beautiful morning light. This home is listed for 18,900 euros, which translates to about 20,500 US dollars, or 16,100 British pounds. That's just 291 euros per square meter. Not far from the Mediterranean coast, in the town of Gádor, I came across a compact apartment that offers a surprisingly affordable way to own property in the south of Spain. Gádor might not be on every traveler's map, but that's exactly what gives it its charm. It's a quiet town of just over 3,000 residents. Set within the metropolitan area of Almería, so you're close to the conveniences of a city, but far enough to avoid the noise, traffic, and tourist crowds. For such a small place, Gádor is impressively self-sufficient. You'll find supermarkets, local restaurants, a school, a cemetery, even a football field. The area is well connected too, with public bus and train service, and easy access via the AL 3412 and ALV 4202 highways. Located on the first floor of a 4-story building, this home is 35 square meters of smart, no-frills living space. It includes 1 bedroom, a bathroom, a living dining area, and a kitchen. A setup that could work well as a holiday base, a minimalist home for one, or even a long-term rental investment. Inside the apartment, the ceramic tile floors and simple interior layout make it easy to furnish and maintain. The building doesn't have an elevator, but the unit is just 1 floor up, manageable for most. When you're looking for a true entry-level opportunity to step into the Spanish property market, without overcommitting or compromising quality of life, this little spot in Gádor might just check all the right boxes, all for just 18,000 euros, which is approximately 19,500 US dollars, or 15,400 British pounds. That's only 514 euros per square meter. Tucked into the rugged heart of Andalusia, in the quiet village of Canjáyar, I came across this smart little find. A 2-bedroom apartment right in the center of town, with a price tag that's hard to believe. Now, Canjáyar might not be a name you hear often, but it's got that real Andalusian soul. Located in the Alpujarra Almeriense, in the Valle del Andarax, surrounded by dramatic mountains and olive groves, it's peaceful, authentic, and still well-connected. You'll find restaurants, sports facilities, schools, supermarkets, even bank offices, all within walking distance. And yes, the apartment is just steps from the town hall. So you're literally in the civic heart of this village. The flat itself is 63 square meters, not too big, not too small. You get 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, a kitchen, and a living dining room that makes smart use of the space. It's situated in a residential building right in the town center, and access is easy with good roads in and out of the village. There's no need to romanticize this place. It doesn't rely on big tourist draws or flashy amenities. What it offers is simple and honest, affordable, livable space in a warm, well-connected village with everything you actually need. For someone looking to downshift their lifestyle, or just secure a foothold in Spain at a fraction of the usual cost, this might be exactly the kind of low-risk, high-reward property that makes sense. We're talking about 19,100 euros, which comes to roughly 20,700 US dollars, or 16,300 British pounds. At just 303 euros per square meter, this is the kind of opportunity that makes you stop and do a double take. And there you have it, 5 real estate opportunities in Spain. That prove you don't need a fortune to start over in a place full of character, charm, and comfort. Before I go, let me leave you with 3 reasons why buying an affordable apartment in these areas of Spain might just be the smartest move you'll ever make. You get more space for your money. These properties offer square footage that would cost you 3 or 4 times more in other European countries. Daily life is less expensive, from local produce to public transport. Your money stretches much further here, making it easier to live well on a budget. You're investing in lifestyle, not just bricks and mortar. Imagine waking up to peace and quiet, friendly neighbors, and a rhythm of life that gives you back your time. If any of these homes sparked your interest, you'll find all the links and contact information down in the video description. Everything you need is right there to learn more or to take the next step. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to Expat Home Opportunities. This is where I share real verified listings across Europe that could completely transform your future. Hit that bell so you never miss out on the next hidden treasure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more incredible finds from across the continent.